So tonight's camping delicacy we're going to make is a civilian MRE. Let's crack this puppy open. Actually, I think it's got to rip open. And it does. Nope. No, I screwed it all up. My buddy Fernbark's been doing a lot of these videos, so I thought I'd do one too. So we have chili and macaroni. Our side is applesauce. We have some vegetable crackers. The heater. Let's see, what do we get with it? We got apple jelly. We have a fig bar. Total score. We have Squinchers orange drink mix, which I've actually had these before. You can get them on Amazon. They're not bad. A little surprised to see it in here, to be honest. Then we have the accessory pack. Rip right in that. We got a fancy napkin. A spoon. It feels like a good one too. Not like cheap and then we get let's see. We have salt, pepper, non-dairy creamer, 2 sugars, instant coffee, and a moist wipe for your hands. All right. All right, let's get the squincher mixed up. I believe, as memory serves, that these actually have electrolytes in them, so they actually don't taste too terrible either. Alright, well that's doing its thing. Let's go ahead and just start with dessert and open the fig bar. So there you go. Go ahead and give it a taste. Tastes just like your average fig bar. I wouldn't say it was a Fig Newton quality, but it's not bad. Sort of a dollar store type. Let's try the Squincher mix. Now I'm just drinking out of a Powerade bottle because I recycled the bottle, so. It's not bad. I think I over diluted it just a little bit, but that's a pretty nice orange flavor. All right, let's go with the veggie crackers and the apple jelly. Where is he convenient pulled? There it is. I'm not sure I had the veggie crackers before. I think I just had the crackers. The can open these up without breaking them, I can use the bag as a plate. Alright. Let's get the apple butter open. Alright. Looks a little thinned out, but it has been riding around in the car. So let's give the cracker a taste by itself. Alright. You know, I think I almost like the veggie crackers better than the just the white crackers. A little bit more to it for the flavor. And it tastes pretty good too. I think that's a good combo. Alright, so apparently I was hungry, and I thought I was, because as soon as I started eating the crackers and the figure bar, I was like, oh man, I'm like starving. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some water in this from the same place I got the water for the drink mix, which I'm not gonna show you because you've already seen it, and get this heating up. Alright, so I got a bottle of liquor holding the bag closed. So let's tear into the applesauce, which I don't have to heat up. Probably would pretty good if I did. So alright. Here's what she looks like. Nice and red. Ooh. Man, that applesauce is so sweet. Holy crap. Whew. You can almost call that a dessert. Dang. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat much more of that. It's not that it's bad, it's just, and I like sweet stuff, but man, it's like really sweet. Unfortunately, it poofed up, but I'm feeling, well, I guess I'm feeling some heat from the underside, so maybe it is warming up. It just doesn't feel hot, warm out here at all, but it does feel warm on the underside. It's just, I wouldn't say it was hot to the touch, just warm to the touch. So that may be my fault. I might put too much water in here, but well, oops. It does feel warm though, but not like hot. So we're actually gonna get the fire going, so I may actually warm this in a pan just so I can have a hot meal. Alright, let's see whose cuisine reigns supreme. Open this puppy up. Yeah, it feels like lukewarm at best, so that's alright. We'll give it a try anyway. Let's see. They don't have a tear spot on the side though. They only have them on up here on the top. So I think I'm gonna cut it open. Since I don't have a fancy tray to serve this on, get a knife out. One nice thing about doing this with these meals is, since we're in bear country, and they like to remind you every time you go somewhere, bear country. Not really dirtying any dishes. Just trying to cut this other piece off here. There we go. That's what she looks like. Lukewarm chili mac. Give this guy a taste. The flavor is actually not bad. When you heat it up, definitely would have been better, but and the beauty part about these is you can eat them cold. I don't think I really need the salt and pepper either. I'll tell you what it does need though. Need some Texas Pete's. Alright, we'll use the napkin they provide you. Clean up a little bit. I think I'm going to save the spoon. Get rid of my cook kit. And I got the moist towelette. There's a little bit of an odor. I don't think it should attract bears though. Oh, pretty standard. A little surprised the heater didn't work better, but it may have been my fault. Alright. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.